In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HubSpot. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, these simple steps will guide you through the process in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log in or sign up for HubSpot. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and gain access to your dashboard. If you're new to HubSpot, setting up an account is straightforward. Just follow the instructions on the site, and soon enough, you'll be inside the platform, ready to roll. Once you're logged in, head over to the Sales tab located in the main menu. From the drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Invoices. Go ahead and click on that to be directed to the Invoices section. This is your main hub for managing everything related to invoicing within HubSpot. Now that you're on the Invoices page, look for the button that says Create Invoice. It's usually quite prominent, designed to be easy for you to spot. Click on Create Invoice to begin the invoicing process. This will open up a more detailed invoice section. Within this area, you'll see an option to Add and then Create Invoice within the Invoice section of your record. Clicking these options helps you directly add a new invoice to your records, keeping everything organized and efficient. At times, you may want to convert an existing quote into an invoice. To do that, simply hover over the quote in question, then click on Actions. You'll see an option to Convert to Invoice. Selecting this streamlines your workflow by transforming the quote details directly into an invoice, saving you time and ensuring nothing is missed in the transition. Once your invoice is ready for customization, take a moment to fill in all necessary details. Start by selecting the invoice type. This is essential for organizing and categorizing your financial records. Next, choose the billing contact from your database to ensure accuracy in the transaction. You'll then want to add line items that detail the products or services being billed. Follow this with specifying the payment terms. It could be net 30, net 60, or any customized term you've set with your customer. Don't forget to set the invoice date and choose the currency that applies to this transaction. If there are any additional details pertinent to the invoice, include those as well for clarity and completeness. You're almost done. Before sending off your newly minted invoice, take a moment to review all the information for accuracy. Double-check the details to avoid any potential issues down the line. When everything looks perfect, you're ready to send it to your client. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on creating an invoice in HubSpot. These steps are designed to make your invoicing process as smooth as possible, ensuring you can focus more on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.